Whatever you are, be a good one. Abraham Lincoln. Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. Bruce Lee. People throw stones at you, and you convert them into milestones. Sachin Tendulkar. If you want to shine like the sun, first learn to burn like the sun. APJ Abdul Kalam. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Confucius. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Chanakya. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Eleanor Roosevelt. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is a habit. Aristotle.